Hey YouTube, it's me, Amanda, and I am back again with another video. This time is for the Zenpop Stationary Box for January. And once again, I apologize. I won't be able to do a January Inku Crate video for those who like my Inku Crate videos because there is a delay again, so... But to make up for it, I've already received February's Zenpop Stationary, and I'll be doing a video for that and loading that up tomorrow, so, there's not a big time lapse, and it kind of makes up for it. Alrighty, so let's get started. Okay, this is their New Year box, and as always, they come with, Luna the rabbit mascot, in some design. And this is in her New Year's attire with little tigers because we are going into the year of the tiger. And if you ever want to see what's in your box, there is a QR code, and they give you all the instructions here. As for if you want to, see what you got. Now, the first thing we got here is this cute little eraser, like a Japanese doll or like geisha design. The next thing we have is the Highline aluminum ruler. This would be good for any homework or measurements. I would use this to angle certain designs in my decorative planning, so you could do it for that too. But it's also obviously good for the kids too, if they got homework and stuff. The next thing we have is, I believe it doesn't have a lot of writing here. It is a calligraphy type of marker with, a really cute, kimono cherry blossom print. Because at this time of year, celebrating the new year, they would have really pretty kimonos on. The next thing we have are these shiny metallic iridescent sticker strips, which you could use, as you could see by the pictures, you could use them as to label certain things, or to add a nice decorative edge to a, if you want to paste a sticker or not sticker, picture into your book, or a really nice seal, if you're sending a letter or a package. I love stuff like this because I am so into holographic stuff. And it says shiny palette sticker. Line stickers. Alright, let's see what else we have next here. Next we have a notebook. It's called an idea diary. I might want to open this up because at first glance it's kind of looking like it's a fold out thing, but it might just be a regular notebook. So let me see what I'm gonna actually open this one up. Let's see. Oh, see, this is like one of those packages where, like, if you're not careful, it'll, like, refill on itself. Which, I mean, I guess it's good if you want to keep the package. So, yeah, it's just a regular notebook. And if you could see, it's, like, just completely blank paper. So, this would be, like, good if you want to do, like, a spread. Just do it for general notes. Or if you're into drawing, this would be good, like, for just, sketching. Oh, see, this is always one of my favorites. This is a washi tape, and they had a couple to choose from, and it's just based off of, like, a kimono fabric print. Because, like I said, during this New Year's, they wear special kimonos and winter wear. This is, like, something you would find in, like, a design in one of the outfits. Now, the next thing I've seen before, they've had these in past New Year's boxes, and I actually got the design I wanted. And it is like, what you do is you write a little note, like where the hot spring is, and you can, like, wrap it around so it looks like a little scenery, just to get, it would be nice to put, like, a little note to give and get, to friends, family, or anyone special. Now, this they didn't have before. This is a tiger because, like I said, we're going into the year of the tiger. So, open this up. Oh, I remember what these are supposed to be. These are supposed to be, like, little envelopes, because during this time of year, it's tradition to give, like, kids or people who are special to you money as gifts. And these are like little stickers to kind of seal them. So, but I imagine you could also use these for gift cards if you wanted to go down that route. They're super cute. Alright, then. And then last but not least, the Sweet Taper highlighter, and it's in melon soda. Hold on, I'm going to smell this and see if there's any scent. Oh, my gosh, yes, there's a scent in here. And then I'm going to, like, undo the cap for this one, too, and see if... Oh, yep, they definitely have a scent. You could just, like, if you've ever had one of those Japanese sodas, this green one definitely smells like the melon one. And this is supposed to be vanilla, and you could, yeah, it smells like the real deal. No joke. Okay, I'm actually looking forward to using that one. And then, okay, so we give it one last check to see if there's anything else in. Well, that about does it. So, thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next Zenpop Stationary unboxing. Bye.